Hello and welcome to Daily Salar Digital. Let's look at the updates that made the headlines today. Alt News co-founder Mohammad Zubair has been nominated for the 2023 Freedom of Expression Awards in the journalism category. The award is given by the Index on Censorship to those who carry out courageous, high-impact and determined journalism. Zubair is the second of three nominees. Bilan Media and Murtaza Behbodi are the other two nominees. The Index is a non-profit organization that advocates for free expression around the world and publishes the works of censored writers and artists. US President Joe Biden announced that his administration has approved an additional $9 billion in student debt relief through administrative provisions and programs for 1,25,000 borrowers. With this announcement, the Biden administration has forgiven nearly 3.6 million Americans $127 billion worth of student loans. After AAP leader Sanjay Singh was detained in connection with a money laundering case involving the now scrapped excise policy, there were protests and counter-protests in Delhi. While AAP supporters gathered at the party headquarters to protest the arrest, leaders of the Delhi BJP went to Rajghat to hold a prayer meeting for the liberation of the people from the corrupt AAP administration in the area. After Manish Sisodia and Satyendra Jain, this is the third significant arrest for the AAP party. A 10-member inter-ministerial central team led by IAS Ajit Kumar Sahu will visit 13 drought-hit districts of Karnataka for a 4-day visit starting October 5. The team will assess the drought situation across the state. The Karnataka government has declared drought in 195 taluks due to deficit rainfall and is seeking funds for relief measures such as fodder banks, cattle centers, nutritious food and drinking water supply. In September, India's services sector growth reached a 13-year high as a result of a sharp rise in new business amid robust demand conditions. The S&P Global India Services Purchasing Managers Index increased from 60.1 in August to 61 in September. India's service sector is one of the fastest growing in the world and contributes to over 50% of India's GDP. This one's for all the cricket fans. The ICC Men's Cricket World Cup 2023 has begun with 48 matches scheduled across 10 grounds in India. The tournament kicked off with a thrilling match at Ahmedabad's Narendra Modi Stadium. It is an exciting event that is expected to draw a large number of fans both domestically and internationally. Now coming from cricket to Asian Games, Indian men's compound archery team has won gold, creating history. In squash, Deepika Pallikal and Harinder Singh Pal have also secured gold in the mixed doubles. In badminton, HS Prannoy won and secured a place in the semi-finals. Meanwhile, PV Sindhu lost in the women's singles quarterfinals in badminton. India's medal tally is 83 as of now with 20 gold medals. Scientists at the Indian Institute of Science, Bengaluru have developed a remarkable enzyme mimetic that can tackle harmful chemicals in industrial wastewater. By harnessing the power of sunlight, this nanozyme called nano-PTA can efficiently break down pollutants, reducing wastewater toxicity. Unlike traditional enzymes, nano-PTA doesn't face the same limitations and challenges, making it a game changer in wastewater treatment. This innovative solution could revolutionize the way we clean our water and protect the environment. Dr. Khafil Khan expressed his gratitude to Shah Rukh Khan and the team of Jawan for addressing the Gorakhpur tragedy in the movie. He appreciated their commitment to using cinema to highlight critical socio-political issues and felt deeply moved by the portrayal of the incident. Though Dr. Khan's heartfelt letter to Shah Rukh Khan went undelivered, it was shared on the social media instead. John Fosse, a Norwegian author, received the 2023 Nobel Prize in Literature for his innovative plays and prose which give voice to the unsayable. Fosse's body of work, regardless of genre, centers on the human condition. Well, that's it for today. For latest news and updates, you know what to do. Subscribe to Daily Salar Digital and also please do comment and engage us with all the news and stuff that you want to see on Daily Salar Digital.